How to check if your video has copyright before uploading it. So a lot of you don't know that there is a way you check if your video that you want to upload has copyright even before you upload it. On this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid copyright on Facebook. As we all know, if you have copyright on a video, it will prevent you from being monetized if you are not monetized yet. And if you are monetized, they will demonetize you because of copyright infringement. On this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can check if that video you want to upload has copyright. Alright, so to check if the video you want to upload has copyright, all you need to do is to go to your browser. If you are using Chrome, you can go with Chrome. If you are using Opera Mini, it's still fine, but I use Safari browser. So I'm going to go over to Safari browser. Then I'm going to search business.facebook.com. Look at it, business.facebook.com. Look at it here. That's what you search. Then you click on go. Then when you go, it's going to bring you to this page. Going to bring you to this page here. If you have not logged into your business.facebook.com before, can you go ahead and use your personal account details, your password and your email or your name, then you log in. Okay, when you log in, you are going to come to this page. This is your home page of your page. Make sure you are switched to the page that you want to upload your video to. So you are going to click on create post. When you click on create post, I'm going to give it time to load. Here you will see an interface that will ask you to add video. Look at it, add video here. You're going to click on it. When you click on it, this menu will come up. Click on upload from desktop. Upload from desktop. Okay, that's where you click. Then you click on photo library. Click on photo library here. Then it's going to take you to your photo library. So here I'm going to select the video that I want to use for this tutorial that I want to upload. So I'm going to select a video that may have copyright. Let me go and select a video that I recorded. Although it's a recorded video, I don't know if it have copyright, but let me select it. This is Brother Mike's video. So I'm going to select it this way and I'm going to click on done. So it's going to upload. So you give it little time to upload. Let me reduce the size of my screen. So the video is uploading here. Look at it, it's uploading. So we're going to give it time to upload. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this video so that it will upload very fast. So the video has finished uploading. So what you need to do next is to add your details of your video. Then here you describe the video, and if you want to add thumbnail, you can click on upload image and upload your thumbnail to the video. Then when you are done, you are going to come down. I'm going to minimize my screen so that I will see this down part. So look at next here. Look at next down here. I'm going to click on next. When you click on next, you are going to come down, scroll up. So here they didn't allow me because I have to add a title. Let me just add any title. Then I'll click on done. Then let's scroll down once more. I'm going to click on next. Then you are going to click on next once more. Click on next again. Click on next. Remember, this is a web version. That's why I see that I'm trying to zoom my screen. So this is the copyright check right here. Copyright check. You see, copyright content was not detected in your video. So you see that no copyrighted content was detected in your video. The video can be posted and you have no copyright. So this is how you check your copyright. After you have done this, you are going to click on share here and the video will be shared on your page. So I hope this video was helpful. So I come your way next time. Keep creating.